Talking about the COVID containment zones, even though the death toll is at 718, the story for India lies at the 2% indicators. That is the mortality rate and the recovery rate. Now, the mortality rate has stood around or below 3.5%, which is also a good sign. And the recovery rate has now gone past 20% mark, 20.58%. We continue to get you more breaking developments, where in an hour from now, Prime Minister Modi will be interacting with the village sarpanchs from across the country, and that will be happening via video conferencing to discuss the coronavirus pandemic. Also, a breaking development coming in from the national capital, where the Delhi government has conducted a successful trial of plasma therapy against a coronavirus patient. And we're expecting a briefing on this very front to be taken up by Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal. We're expecting an important announcement that will be made at around noon, as Delhi has already crossed more than 2,000 patients that have been reported in the total number of cases that have been reported. We have our reporters there. Let me straight away go across to them. Shantashri is joining us, and also Amandeep. Shantashri, I want you to update us on the Delhi situation. Number of containment zones gone beyond 90, over 2,000 cases being reported. And as far as plasma therapy is concerned, we are expecting an important announcement to be made by Chief Minister Kejriwal.
Definitely, a positive development is expected from the Delhi government side, where they had been concentrating on the plasma therapy as one of the solutions to the treatment of COVID-19, where the plasma of already treated patient, already cured patient is put into the bloodstream of another already suffering COVID-19 patient, and after that the positive developments are expected to come about. So we are expecting announcement from the Delhi government whether it is successful or not, and whether it can be used to cure other COVID-19 patients currently suffering. So yes, while we await for that announcement to be made, we all know that what is the situation currently that is taking place in Delhi. That is, more than 93 hotspots have been identified. In one of the hotspots like Tughlakabad extension, there are more than 35 cases, and the biggest number of cases that have come about is definitely around 46 cases from the Jahangirpur area, where one lady who was 55 years old and who died due to COVID-19. After 4 days of her death, it was realized that she was suffering from COVID-19, and after that the entire H block and C block of Jahangirpuri area has been completely turned into a hotspot and a containment zone. On the other hand, we see that more and more cases are arising, but on the other also very important to note is this, that 13% of these cases are of course spanning between the age of 50 to 59 years old, and that's what Arvind Kejriwal has been constantly been appealing, that those people who are from this particular age should not step out from home because they have comorbidity issue as well. So while these appeals are being made, announcements are being made of plasma therapy to be take place for COVID-19 patients, containment zones are constantly being identified, and all the requirements are being provided to those people who are staying inside hotspots. Now, if we talk about the Gautam Budh Nagar area, then we can tell that apart from the sealing and the virtual, the border sealing that has taken place, along with that, the authorities of Noida administration, Greater Noida administration, and Yamuna industrial authorities, all of them have formed a 5-member team, which also is being looked upon by the Gautam Budh Nagar DM and also other officials, where they will be restricting to 2+2+2 theory, where within 2 hours of the testing of a patient, if he turns out to be COVID-19, then definitely within 2 hours contact tracing of that person will take place, and after that teams will be mobilized to move to their residences, and whether they will be quarantined or put into self-isolation, that will be decided hereupon. So these are the strategies that are constantly being employed by not only Noida and Greater Noida as well as
over 50% of the entire Noida area has now been turned into a containment zone itself, and we are expecting a big announcement to be made on some positive grounds that we are expecting from the Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal at around noon. We have Amandeep also with us. Let me also bring him live on the broadcast. Amandeep, if you're talking about the state of Punjab itself, Captain Amrinder Singh said that he wants a clear-cut audit on every COVID death that has been reported. We also got the news of a 6-month-old child also being reported positive for COVID-19. What more updates can you share with us?
Yes, exactly. The Captain Amrinder Singh has openly said that the audit will be conducted over the deaths of COVID-19 just to check the mortality rate. And if we talk about the 6-month-old baby, she died yesterday in PGI MER. She brought here Chandigarh in PGI MER for the treatment of heart on 19th of April. But 2 days before, she tested positive of COVID-19, and yesterday she died. And her cremation has been conducted here in Chandigarh sector 25. She was quite little, and after that the PGI MER has conducted the several staff under the quarantine, and they have sampled, but all of them turned negative. But if we talk about the state of Punjab, the Punjab Chief Minister is also concerned about the revenue, and he is repeatedly making the request to the centre government to open the liquor shops, but no permission has been given so far to the state. But they are also announced that door-to-door screening and the audit of the COVID-19 patients just to check the mortality rate, just so that it should be clear the persons who are also died for the several disease, either they are passed away
Yes.
due to the COVID-19 or something else also. So to check all these things, the state of Punjab
All right,
is
so
also
already
taking the initiative.
over 270 cases that have been reported from Punjab itself.